What is up, guys? This is FNH News Reviews and Tories with a brand new video to talk about LED motion sensor light. So this is a very interesting product that I wanted to actually purchase, and I finally got the chance to do so. And basically, you put this product or this motion sensor light either under your bed or, as you can see, like under a crib, and it automatically, like, it's a motion sensor light and it turns on. Like, let's say you wanted to go to the bathroom. And let's say this is a bed, not a crib, and you wanted to go to the bathroom. You get up, and instead of turning on the lights and looking, as soon as you step like off the bed, it will turn on because it'll detect some motion, and you'll have some light available to you for you to be able to go to the bathroom or do whatever you wanted to do, basically. So just to get a little like opening this box and showing you what it's about, the price range for this was $20. It is made in China. It's a 360 degrees like motion sensor, so it'll detect both sides of the bed. I don't know what type of exact bed size it'll fit for, but you can even see it lasts 80 hours continuously. So obviously you can use it for a significantly long time. You're not going to use it for 80 hours straight. And you can see you can use it for what type of items it is. It's working hours as well. And it can be used for like 4,800 times. And so it's overall pretty good. Let's see. Let's just get right into it. All right. Just nice. Comes with a nice little packaging over here, as you can see. Alright, so this is the light. So this is, I believe, the stand where you can like put it under the bed or like attach it. I do not know if it comes with batteries. Probably not. So, and this is like the stick on if you want to put it. And this is like, it's showing it for like a bed. So this is, you see how it's saying it's like a 1.8 meters. It's like around an induction of diameter of 2. So that's overall pretty interesting, and it has like some how to use the manual, what it is, working hours, and all the other features. I do not believe it does not. So you need 3 AAA cells to be able to function this. Sadly, you do not have any at this moment to be able to test it out. But overall, it's not bad. It seems like a good quality. I like this. Like, it's pretty sturdy. I've seen some like highlights of these. It overall does seem like to be working well. I like the videos I saw like online showing like how it works overall. It lit up the room in a fairly well sense. So overall, that's the majority of the reason why I purchased it. I'll leave the links in the description below for you guys to like check out and give it a shot. But overall, I like it. Overall, I like it. I hope I had the batteries. I don't have extra batteries. That's why I would have tested it out. It kind of sucks. I'm sorry about that. But yeah, overall, you can again use it for 80 hours continuously, which is an extremely long time. And you can just check out more in the link more about it in the link in the description below to see if you guys want to check it out and whatnot. But yeah, let me know your thoughts below. What do you guys, if you ever purchased this or if you want to purchase it? If you really want to see me like testing it out and using it, let me know in the comment section below. I can make another video, like a really quick video, just testing it out. Again, sucks I don't have the batteries, so I can't test it out right now. But yeah, let me know if you want me to test it out. Do let me know, and I can definitely get it for you. So yeah, let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and if you guys like the video, give it a thumbs up. It helps a lot. If you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe and click that notification bell. And other than that, FNH out. Peace.